Hello everyone. Each of the 7 persons J, K, L, M, N, O and P park their only cars in a row in 7 adjoining parking slots. There's 7 parking slots, adjoining parking slots in a row, and these 7 people park their only cars in these 7 slots. The cars can be parked either facing north, they may be facing north, or they may be facing south. Now the question is, how many ways the 7 cars can be parked? In the first slot, any of the 7 cars can be parked. And whichever car is parked here, that can be parked in 2 ways, either facing north or facing south. Now, one car is parked in the first slot. Let's move to the second slot. We are left with 6 cars only. And this slot can have any of these 6 cars. And whichever car is slotted here can be placed in 2 ways, either facing north or facing south. After one more car being parked in the second slot, we are left with 5 cars. Now the third slot can be used by any of the 5 cars, any of the leftover 5 cars. And whichever car is parked here can be parked in 2 ways, either facing north or facing south. The fourth slot, we are left with 4 cars only now. 3 cars have already been parked, and the fourth car can be any of the leftover 4 cars. And whichever car is parked here can be parked in 2 ways, either facing north or facing south. Now, we are left with 3 cars, and these 3 cars can occupy the 5th slot by any one of them. We are left with 3 possibilities with which we can park the 5th slot. And whichever car is parked here can be parked in 2 ways, either facing north or facing south. After placing the 5th car, parking the 5th car, we are left with 2 cars, and the 6th slot can be filled with the help of any of these 2 cars. And whichever car is parked here can be parked in 2 ways, either facing north or facing south. The leftover car, we are left with 1 car now, and that 1 car can be placed in the 7th parking slot in 2 ways, either facing north or facing south. So the total number of ways these 7 cars can be parked is 7 into 2 into 6 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 4 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1 into 2, and that gives us the total number to be 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That gives us 7 factorial ways, multiplied by 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 6, and 2 to the power 7. So the total number of ways these 7 cars can be parked is 7 factorial into 2 to the power 7.